Hi, my name is Zach Mitchell, and for my creativity project, I'm going to take you through a few steps on how I learned how to mix on the Traktor software and Traktor controller. The first thing that you have to understand about the Traktor controlling deck is that you have two sets. You have the right side of the deck and then the left side of the deck, and each side is mirrored. The first thing that I learned when mixing was to be able to tune up a song. You need to use this button right here, and then you can scroll around and find what song that you want to play, and then you load it up to either side of the deck with this button, A or B button, just depending on which side of the deck you want it to go on. The next thing that I learned was how to control the high, the mid, and the low. The low is how you control your bass. You can lower your bass or turn up your bass. The mid is how you control the median of your music, such as your vocals and things of that nature. And the high is how you control your treble. So, for instance, if I wanted to play a song and then take out all the treble, it takes out all the treble, and then you can put it back in. Or you can take out all the bass, and it takes out all the bass. And that goes on for each side. These are the same controls on each side. After I learned how to work the treble and all the mids and the highs and the lows, and understand how to put bass in or take bass out, or put your highs up or take your highs down, I learned how to be able to loop your music, which is a technique that a lot of DJs use in mixing. And this is a basic example right here. As I'm playing the music, I'm gonna set a loop by pressing this button right here. And as you see, it's really tight right now, and you can bring it out as far as you want, and then it'll loop over again. And you can shorten the loop or lengthen the loop depending on how far you want it to go. So if you want to build up a drop or something, you can keep building it up. And yeah. Another very important aspect to mixing is being able to match up your BPMs from one song to another song. Your BPMs are beats per minute, and the song on the right side of the deck right now is 95 beats per minute, and the song on the left side is 92 beats per minute. Those are close enough to where that you can mix the two songs together and be able to have it sound good while you're mixing. Now I'm going to show you some examples of how I mix and how I've learned to mix. Now, here we go.